The Trends page shows a school-wide overview of the average difference between pupils' Doddle step and target step. If a year group is under target in a subject, it means that those pupils have Doddle steps below their target steps on average. As with all averages, it is affected by outliers, so you might want to consider taking out pupils or key groups that you want to consider separately by using the filters to the left. Alternatively, you can focus only on one key group to see where they could do with support. In this example, we can see how low ability pupil premium boys in Year 8 are doing, and a list of pupils' names that is comprised by that group. Lastly, it's a good way to see how one pupil is doing across subjects, either by selecting them from the list or by searching for their name in the box above.